All right, well, today is International Pizza Day, in case you didn't know. So for our adventure today, we didn't need a time to stop for pizza, so we decided we were going to stop at one of our favorite pizza places, Prince, and get a frozen pizza. Now, you said it was, what, $24?
Yeah.
Which is pretty steep because an average pizza at this place is typically, what, about 12 bucks, 11 bucks? Yeah.
I think with toppings, it's like 15.
So we got home, and she's like, damn, this is very heavy. Which it is heavy. It weighs an absolute ton. We thought maybe it was frozen. What we found out when we got home was we didn't just have one pizza. We have 1, 2, 3 pizzas there. Which for $24 is actually, you say $24?
Yeah.
It's actually a really good,
it's
a really good deal. It's $1 a slice. So for a pizza day today, Tommy's gonna help us. We're gonna cook some pizza. So let's do that. Can you say home vlog? Home vlog.
Home vlog.
Alright, so the directions say cook a half-baked pizza so it tastes like a restaurant. Get your oven really hot, 450 degrees, place pizza and bacon sheet right on the rack, cook for 5 to 7 minutes until golden brown. Alright, we can do that. Alright, so let's bake it to 450, let this heat up, and then we'll throw the pizza in for 10, what does it say? 5 to 7 minutes. All right, it's gonna take a little warm up. Meanwhile, we got dessert. If you looked at our previous vlog, we stopped at a mall that actually had a Cinnabon, and we haven't had a Cinnabon in years. So we got 9. We thought we were getting the small ones, but for some reason, I guess these are the mini ones. I guess these are mini compared to the big ones.
They had the bites, so we
probably should get that.
We thought we were getting the bites.
We meant to buy the bites, but we ended up getting these. They're only like $13 for 9 of them. So they're about $1 something a piece, which we will eat them for breakfast or dessert tonight. Right now we're in a tight for quarters because we have a baby carriage in the kitchen because there's no other place for it. And now we have to make room in our freezer so we could store the extra pizza that we bought inadvertently. Which is not really a bad situation, but we'll figure it out.
You know what this is?
That is probably hamburger that we could probably toss. Auntie Alex, if you want your container back for ice cream, we could probably give that back to you next time we see you. That's probably a year-old ice cream. Lots of frozen vegetables. What can we do? All right, so we want pepperoni. So what they do is they have a pre-made cheese, and then they just give us the toppings. So I guess we could have got any toppings we want, right?
Yeah.
And I guess we could just go to the store if we wanted special toppings.
Yeah.
And make our own. Ooh, I like your design. What are you trying to make? Some kind of mosaic?
Yeah. A pizza mosaic.
Is there any other type of toppings you want?
No.
Henry, is there any toppings you want? I think he says he wants formula toppings, which I don't think we could do for him. Meanwhile, with the pizza cooking, Nola's on babysitting duty. And here's the little guy. Hey, buddy. What's the matter? Are you trying to get your little guys, but you can't get them? It's a little warm in here, too. I'm not trying to heat down. Got the oven at 450. It's half cooked. Pepperoni. And Alexa, set timer for 7 minutes.
7 minutes, starting now.
All right, here we go. In 7 minutes, we'll be back. All right. It's been 7 minutes. I don't know, though. All right, so this is the finished product. Looks just like the restaurant. It's a little brown on the bottom, which is good. A little greasy on the top, which we like. Let's see how good it tastes. All right, this is the best we could cut it. We did it in quarters because we have a pizza roller. Unfortunately, it's in storage for the move. So, well, it looks good. Has a consistency. Smells like the pizza we get at the restaurant. It looks like the pizza we get at the restaurant. I think we could have probably cooked the crust in the bottom a little bit longer. So maybe next time we cook it for like 10 minutes or so. But we'll see. I'm sure it's going to taste great. Just want to say Happy National Pizza Day. Say Happy National Pizza Day, Henry.
Happy National Pizza Day.
Ah, bye. And that will conclude our home vlog, our vlog for the day. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the little alarm so you get alerts every time we have new videos. And we're going to eat our pizza on Pizza Day, and little Henry's going to have his formula flavored pizza. And it's going to be great. See you guys later. Bye. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and click the alarm so whenever you get notification, we get new ones. See you later. Bye.